Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to edit abandoned checkout email on Shopify. Let's get started. In order to do that, what we can do is we can actually just head over to our actual settings right here on the left sidebar. Now, from in there, we should be able to scroll down until in here you can see this notifications. So under the notifications, you should be able to see in here the customer notifications. Just click on that. And then from in there, you can just head over and scroll down until you can see the one that you're looking for right there. So there's a lot of things that you can do, like for example, shipping update, return update, accounts and outreach right here. And there's also marketing ones, as well as a point of sale, payment error, order exceptions, gift cards, and local delivery, local pickup, and all of these things right here. So for example, in here, what you can do is you can actually just click on this customize email templates. And in here, you can see that we have this specific templates in here for our actual one. Alternatively, you can just head over and scroll down until you can see this point of sale abandoned checkout. So click on this one. And then once you have done that, you can see that this would look like. So the abandoned checkout template looks like this. Thanks for stopping by the store name. And then are you ready to complete your order? And just head over and then you can see what it looks like, the order summary as well, and the customer information that they have. So in order to head over and edit it out, just click on this edit code right here. And then in here, you should be able to actually edit the code, but you need to be very knowledgeable in order to successfully edit it and get the desired results that you want. So that's the whole process. If you have problems with your help us, if you leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.